Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best MTB brakes is probably one of the most critical components on your mountain bike, directly impacting your control, confidence, and overall riding experience on the trail, ensuring you can stop precisely when needed, whether you're navigating steep descents, technical single track, or simply need to scrub speed before a corner. Number 5. Complete Bike Brake Set. This is a complete set designed to get your bike's braking system fully functional. It includes everything you need for both front and rear brakes, ensuring you have all the necessary components for installation. Inside this package, you'll find durable brake calipers, reliable brake levers, and the essential inner and outer cables. It's a comprehensive kit with 6 key products to meet your installation needs. The components are designed for a proper fit on most bicycles. The brake calipers have a specific arch size, and the brake levers are suitable for standard handlebar diameters, ensuring compatibility. Crafted from a combination of alloy and plastic, these parts are built to last. They are resistant to temperature changes and oxidation, ensuring sensitive braking performance in various weather conditions. Enjoy a smoother ride with these reliable brakes. They are designed to be lightweight yet durable, offering adjustable tension for optimal performance. This set is ideal for most mountain and road bikes. Setting up your new braking system is straightforward. The design allows for easy adjustment of spring tension and positioning, making installation and fine-tuning simple for a secure and effective stop. What we like. This is a comprehensive brake set, perfect for those who need a full replacement or upgrade. It includes everything you need for installation, making it incredibly convenient. If you're looking for a straightforward, all-in-one solution for your mountain or road bike, this is a solid choice. What people say. The modulation is smooth and predictable, allowing for precise control on descents. These brakes offer excellent stopping power, even on steep and technical terrain. The lever feel is firm and responsive, providing confidence during hard braking. Number 4. Mongoose Dolomite Fat Tire Mountain Bike. Introducing the Mongoose Dolomite, a fat tire mountain bike designed for adventure. Its robust steel frame and supersized knobby tires are ready to tackle any off-road terrain with ease. This bike is ideal for riders between 5 feet 4 inches and 6 foot tall. The adjustable headset ensures a comfortable and efficient ride, enhancing both speed and performance. Enjoy a comfortable ride with its beach cruiser pedals. For your safety, it features reliable front and rear mechanical disc brakes, giving you confidence on every descent. Experience seamless gear changes with the 1x7 drivetrain. This setup provides optimal power transfer, making your climbs and flats effortless. Arriving 80% assembled, you'll be ready to hit the trails in no time. Just a few simple tools are needed to complete the setup and start your journey. What we like. This bike is built for adventure, with its supersized knobby tires ready to tackle any trail. It's ideal for riders who want to confidently explore off-road terrain. If you're a beginner or intermediate rider looking for a rugged and capable bike that can handle diverse conditions, this is the one for you. What people say. The braking power is excellent, providing confident stopping even on steep descents. Easy to install and adjust, making them a great option for both beginners and experienced riders. The modulation is smooth and predictable, allowing for precise control on technical terrain. Number 3. Universal Mountain Bike Brake Set. Get a complete set of replacement brakes designed to fit most bicycles. This package includes everything you need for a smooth ride. You'll receive 2 pairs of durable brakes with pads, along with 2 brake cables, cable end caps, and end ferrules. All parts are built to last. Crafted from a strong alloy and plastic, these brakes are built for extended use. They are designed to meet your cycling needs reliably. Installation is straightforward. Simply follow the steps to attach the brake, thread the cable, and make adjustments for optimal performance. These brakes are suitable for a wide range of bicycles, including road bikes and MTBs. Please check your rear wheel for mounting hole compatibility before purchasing. What we like. This set offers great value with 2 pairs of replacement brakes, suitable for a wide range of bicycles. It's a practical option for maintaining your bike's braking system. If you need reliable replacement parts and want a versatile solution that fits most bikes, this is an excellent pick. What people say. The brakes are very powerful and provide excellent stopping power. Easy to install and adjust, even for beginners. The modulation is smooth and predictable, allowing for precise control on descents. Number 2. V-Type Universal Bike Brake Set. Upgrade your ride with our complete V-Type bike brake set. It includes everything you need for a reliable braking system on your mountain bike. This comprehensive kit comes with V-Type brakes, cables, levers, and even installation tools. You'll have an easier time getting them set up on your bike. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy, plastic, and rubber, these brakes are built to last. They resist cold, heat, and oxidation, ensuring consistent performance. Installing these brakes is straightforward. Simply attach the brakes, route the cables through the tubes, and make your adjustments for a secure fit. Before ordering, please ensure your bike's rear wheel has the necessary holes for installation. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. The included brake cables and pipes are designed with specific lengths for both front and rear installations, ensuring a proper fit for your bicycle. What we like. This V-Type brake set comes with essential tools, simplifying the installation process significantly. Its durable construction ensures longevity and reliable performance. If you're a DIY enthusiast or someone who prefers to have all necessary components and tools at hand for an easier setup, this set is highly recommended. What people say. The brakes are very powerful and provide excellent stopping power. Easy to install and adjust, making them a great option for DIY mechanics. The modulation is smooth and predictable, allowing for precise control on descents. Number 1. TOBWOLF Hydraulic Disc Brake Kit. Experience superior stopping power with our advanced hydraulic disc brake kit. Designed for optimal performance, it ensures reliable braking in all conditions. Setting up your new brakes is straightforward. You can easily adjust the lever positions to suit your riding style, ensuring a comfortable and intuitive experience. Our upgraded ceramic brake pads offer exceptional stopping power without damaging your rotors. They are built to last and perform exceptionally, even in extreme weather. These ultralight rotors are engineered to reduce weight while maximizing braking power and control. Their innovative design helps dissipate heat effectively for consistent performance. Designed for versatility, this kit is compatible with most mountain bikes, road bikes, and other bicycles featuring a hydraulic disc brake system. Enjoy enhanced safety on all your rides. Crafted from high-grade aluminum alloy, these brakes are built to withstand the rigors of cycling. They offer excellent resistance to heat and harsh weather, ensuring durability and reliability. What we like. Experience superior stopping power with this hydraulic disc brake kit, featuring ceramic pads for enhanced performance and durability. It's designed for riders who demand the best in braking control and modulation. If you're an avid mountain biker, e-biker, or fat biker seeking high-performance brakes that excel in all weather conditions, this is the ultimate upgrade. What people say. The braking power is excellent, providing confident stopping even on steep descents. The modulation is smooth and predictable, allowing for precise control on technical terrain. Installation was straightforward, and the brakes have been reliable with no adjustments needed so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.